everyone, I'm here in the Tailwind Nutrition Shipping Department, and today I want to tell you a little bit more about endurance fuel and a couple different ways that you can mix it up. Now I have a 24-ounce water bottle, a 2-liter hydration pack, and a 16-ounce soft flask. Now it doesn't matter if you mix it up in one of these containers or a different container, as long as you maintain the 2 scoops to 3 scoops of Tailwind to 20 to 24 ounces of water. Now that ratio is perfect because you need a certain amount of water to absorb all the nutrients that are in endurance fuel. Now, say you're running a marathon and you don't want to carry all that water with you. You still have options to use endurance fuel. You can mix 1 scoop per 2 ounces of water to make sort of a syrup out of it. Sip on that slowly as you run, and then make sure you supplement with water at all the aid stations. As long as you maintain that correct ratio of water to endurance fuel, it will work great for you. Thanks for watching, everybody, and I'll see you next time.